All right. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Happy Tuesday to everybody, man. My name is Coach Keon Corniff. Most of you guys probably know me as Mr. Finance. I am a financial educator and business coach. And what is it that I do? I provide financial literacy workshops and I make sure that every family get access to those virtually and they're all complimentary. Also, we help provide business mentorship where we teach families and business owners how to run their business with a system. And we also provide financial services. So we help families different type of services. I'm talking about anything with life insurance, investments, real estate, and many more endeavors. So just want you guys to know that right out the gate. But why we're having this conversation today is simply because we need to have a new rules of money, right? We got to talk about what's going on there because I want you guys to know that my mission, right? What is my mission? My mission and my main focus every month is to make sure that I provide 30 families with financial education. Every month, my goal this year is to educate 360 families personally for the year. But collectively, me and my organization with our team, Team Nishan's Legacy, we want to educate 5,000 families this year. All right? That's our main thing. That's our main goal. And we have a few people that's already committed to this. And today I want to talk to you about the money problem because before we get into the money problem, for those of you that don't know who my firm is, I work with HGI, which stands for the Hedgeman Group International. We are pretty much a financial marketing firm. And what we do is that we provide financial services like, different sectors of investment, real estate, and so on. And most importantly, why are we doing this? Because our firm actually is on a mission to make sure that every family learn how to create wealth. Okay? So that's why, we are so dedicated to make sure that every family receive financial education. And we want to make sure that you're one of them. And today, what I'm going to be doing is having these money talks, right? I'm going to come on from time to time and have money talks that we're going to talk about different things that's going on with money. And today, the thing that we're going to talk about is what are some of the new rules of money, right? What are some of the new rules? How is money changing right now? When you look at debt, and you see that right now when it comes down to debt, that the average household has a credit card balance that's totaling over $5,900 plus dollars. And why is this? Because a lot of people now have been using their credit cards for emergency funds, right? And when you look at the fact that a lot of people seeking higher education because they want to get a higher employment and a better job, you know that student loan right now, the average person have about 58 plus thousand dollars in debt. And then when you think about the average debt all collectively together, when you think about someone that has a mortgage or their car notes, their student loans, their credit cards, and all these different debt that we as consumers have built up over the years, we on an average have over 163 plus thousand dollars. So when you think about debt being a problem, who's helping us with these debt? Who's getting us through these problems? We have to learn how to become debt managers because we're so fixated on being debt free that we're going broke trying to do it. We are going broke trying to be debt free when we need to learn how to manage debt and cover our debt, right? Cover your debt. Don't go broke trying to pay it off. Cover it. But even when it comes down to taxes, what is the problem with taxes? Well, think about the fact that in 2019, we as citizens here in America spend more money on our taxes than we spend on the food we ate, the clothes we wear, and the things that we need to own, right? How is it that we are spending more money on taxes? Why is that? It's because no one is teaching us that there's three ways our money get taxed when we need it. There's nobody breaking down how the tax codes work. You don't understand what taxable mean. You don't understand what tax deferred mean. You don't understand what tax advantage mean. Do you know the difference between getting taxed now, later, and never? Why did they teach us that we have three options? We have three choices. But then you look at the fact that even inflation, why is inflation a problem for us today? Why is it that inflation is such a major problem for us today? Well, consider the fact that a dollar in 1972 is now worth 15 cents. And that money is deteriorating as we speak. Imagine the fact that the average inflation rate from 1972 to the year 2022, it was at 3.9% today. Do you know what inflation is right now? Did you know that just 2 years prior, we saw inflation hit an all-time high of over 8%? And you wonder why inflation happens? Well, inflation tends to happen when a country prints more money than it actually earned. So the result is that we collectively lose value of the money that we're saving. That's the reason why we tell you that saving money is losing money. Because if your money is not being saved, the problem with saving is that the fact that the average, as we as Americans, 45% of Americans believe that they're going to outlive their savings. 45% of Americans believe this. And why do we believe this? We believe this because the simple fact that no one is teaching us the difference between what is compound interest versus simple interest. Why is it that we are tend to save majority of our money where we're only receiving simple interest? But when it comes down to us understanding the fundamentals of using vehicles that could give us compounded interest, we are not taught that. Or better yet, we use vehicles like our credit cards that's compound against us. But no one is telling us where to save and invest our money so we can get some compounding interest. See, that's the reason why when it comes to savings, the only way to beat inflation is saving our money when we receive compounded interest. So you got to put yourself in an earning potential to do that. That's the reason why my mission and our goal is to make sure that, we provide this education to 30 families every month. And I want you to be one of them. I want you to be one of them. That's the reason why we're on our national campaign for financial literacy. That's the reason why we're pledging to educate 5,000 families every year. That's our pledge. That's the reason why you need to like and share this. Comment below if you're ready to learn. Just comment the word, I am ready. Comment the word, I am ready, if you would like to have access to our complimentary workshops. All you have to pay for this is attention. All you have to pay is attention. You would never have to spend a dime to receive financial education. You would never have to spend a dime to create a stronger financial foundation. You would never have to spend a dime. But I just want to remind you that you are one decision away from changing the future for the better. So remember that the choice is always yours. And that's why I want to empower you. So if you know 30 people also that could benefit from this, like and share this with them so we can continue to empower families. Okay? So I just want to come on real quick. Like I said, I'm going to come on and do these money talks. And I'm going to share with you information and knowledge and a whole lot of understanding so you can continue winning the money game. All right? So I look forward to seeing you soon. Remember to like and share this. And I can't wait to come back on and continue having these money talk. I see you guys at the top. Have a blessed day. Talk to you soon.